that's like home? Were you feeling the same like from when you first started in the studio?
Music not where my heart at.
Est-ce que studio a dit music that's not where my heart at? Music c'est pas qu'on y a qu'est pas dans musique encore man.
Not something that I'm focused on.
Musique c'est pas un bagage qui me focus là-dedans pour le moment man.
They get by ça.
You know.
And what are some things that you feel like you are want to go into with this new journey?
Qui bagage qui ou passé ou t'as aimé rentrer là-dedans pour le moment? On nouveau
activité. T'as qu'au jouer quand il s'en t'a fait, stream t'es voyé là là, but il t'es gon l'autre balle t'as qu'au fashion.
Yeah, on nouveau activité. Yeah.
What journey?
Leaving music.
Yeah, so ap quitter musique man. Qui l'autre bagage qui?
Oui, parce que jeune toujours ben. Si au moins sur ton Kanye West, mais mon choix vis peut-être t'es ka wa comprendre non?
Yeah.
T'es ka quitter bonheur mais jeune comme ça faut ta gon l'autre bagage ou adapter. Une faire SVR.
I just want to have fun.
I just want to have fun. Juste besoin de plaisir, man.
Just want to do whatever I want.
Juste voulais faire, d'ailleurs faire qu'importe ça, d'ailleurs voulais faire.
Voilà me dire un boy t'es fermé.
Stay out the way.
Stay out the way. Après ça, retirer comme dans route nèg yo qui te nèg yo a fait par man.
Yeah, just being in your 20s. It's just like, you know, I feel like you experienced a lot. You got to see a lot.
You still in your 20s, man. Ou toujours dans 20 ans, man. Parce que ou fait un pile expérience ou un pile bagage dans la vie, man. Yeah.
Let's say like when it comes to NBA YoungBoy and Top and Contrail, do you feel like it's a different type of persona or it's like the same person?
L'on parle de NBA YoungBoy ou bien on parle de Contrail. Est-ce que vous sentez c'est des mondes différents ou bien même pour nous, man? YoungBoy c'est artiste là, Contrail c'est vrai non, man. Est-ce que vous pensez que tout des mondes ça même pas là?
They different. It's very different.
Des personnages différents.
Would you like to go more into like what you know that's different?
Qui sont pensés différents dans personnage ça, man?
Shout out to PZ. No partner, qui dit I'm actually harder than him.
Who we talking about again? With the names?
Let's start off with Contrail. Who's Contrail?
Ok, on commence à Contrail, mais qu'est-ce que Contrail vous?
That's me. That's who you're talking to right now.
You're talking to Contrail right now, man. On parle à Contrail, nèg qui relax, pose. Monsieur Okazi.
Pratique c'est avec Contrail nous et jeudi là. Nous pas ni YoungBoy ni Top.
Nous pas Top, nous pas. Shout out to Tracker, man. Tracker, what do you do?
Yeah, bro. Crazy update.
Like
Shout out to you, my boy.
It's just me. Me being out of character.
Contrail is me being out of character. Contrail c'est personnage qui c'est pas caractère YoungBoy là, but c'est Contrail. Shout out to Overdose.
When those other names come about, I think it's just me being in character, you know?
Les l'autre nom yo, l'autre cité nom yo, l'autre nom qui vient yo, c'est juste moi-même encore, mais et comme si man character quand on doit parler de Spider-Man, Superman,
ah oui.
On changer.
Tant que tape là ça mauvais ya.
Yeah.
It used to be like a movie role that I took on and couldn't put down, and I never like went to go get treatment or something to break out of it. So I just always be crazy or some shit.
Mm-hmm. So what about Top?
What about Top, man? It Top.
Is him and NBA YoungBoy the same person?
No.
Top avec NBA YoungBoy, est-ce qu'il est même bon?
No.
Yes.
But he a good person though.
Top's a good person.
Mm-hmm.
Top's un bon monde.
Top son bon monde. Os coisas, aí vem que est-ce qui va aller de là? Que tout là c'est que je n'ai qu'à dire.
Hey. On va go jouer qui get trois personnalités tout.
Wendy,
Kaka.
On fera ce qui se dit là, on fera ce qui dit des idoles ça Wendy et puis
yeah. So vi se di tap so bop.
Tap, Kencho, et puis YoungBoy.
YoungBoy.
Wendy, Traka, et puis Chinois.
Yeah.
Stop playing, bro. Shout out to my boy Wendy.
Yo.
Like you like to play video games.
So I heard you like
Take your
playing.
mind away from
You like playing video games. We're gonna make sure video game too,
like,
man.
you know, the
think
real.
so.
Because I know when I play the game, it's challenging to be able to, like, when I know I'm gonna lose, like, I want to put up a fight. That's why I like to put up a fight of it.
Mwen men jwe video game pase m konen le map joun bagay m ka perdi e mwen men pou m ka challenge and I like putting up a fight. E ou men YoungBoy, so remen na.
So you asking about like challenging video games?
Yeah.
I'm running out of question, y'all. Let's see what happened to get back to track.
For just 67,
Mi se sa mi se di
you can generate a
Fanny Marco, mi se marke sou ti ba radio sa m vreman pa ge kesyon mwen de YoungBoy anko men. Dagon baez, kompren?
as many videos as you want and
E jan
never have to
YoungBoy ap
worry
repon
about
mi.
showing your face
Ou li
on
vin mette
camera.
inconfortable.
Using
E di
complex
ket
editing tools.
bayen.
I think I do that. It's just something to take your mind away.
Yeah, m jwe video game, pase video game nan li.
Gon fanatik ki di go za. Désolé, mi se bagen lion sou kont mwen la. Nou vide sou nou paske nou nan pale de got la. Shout out to my boy, enjoy you, man. Paske nou la mene pou la, so make sure partage.
Yeah, just supporte nou. You
Suiv
want
nou sou
gade video,
YouTube,
gade
TikTok
YouTube.
la.
Yeah,
Feel me,
man.
like Twitch too. Yon active yon sel non, so
Yeah, so
pa
we good.
anketo, bro.
You don battle Lyon, man. Pase nou kon Lyon yon de vakas pou.
Don moun ki di abone.
Nou kon Lyon yon de vakas pou boba.
N3D. Ok, bro. Ekri nou kanmen pou nkawe sa.
Yeah, man.
Your friends at times, you know, it's a way of bonding.
Yeah, mwen men jwe video game avè di zanmèm pafwa. Son jan ke. Mwen pren pou nou relax nou, man.
But other than that, it's just to take your mind away, I guess. Well, for me, it is.
Hello, world. With summer activities, you like
At pase chefe mse la, gade. Mwen reklam, man.
Kay ba, lotan mo, get a resource.
you go to amusement
Buy a
parks.
lot,
You can call them.
Of course,
fun. Water parks.
Evi ti mi se fa sabon
Going
ki ka pe cheve
swimming. But
ki
with
sa
liquid
tou, no?
IV, it'll give you that
I
energy
was
that you
saying,
need. Because when I'm outside and I'm
outside,
at the
yeah.
amusement park with my kids, I'll be ready to go. It be hot. I want to
Fair,
skip the
be
line.
songs.
But with
I
liquid
was saying, no, man,
IV,
no,
as you
man,
can see,
buy that guy.
my
One
first
could be
time,
mundo get
I
out.
drink it all the
Huh?
time and it helps me stay hydrated.
So di?
I was saying, Kite reklam nega abvol. E de sa kon be moun, preske 300 mil la.
Let's go, man.
Just straight off my mind.
Von is the best. Fanatik YoungBoy a goume avek fanatik
Comedy,
Chicago yo
you
la.
like comedy?
Ben diel! Pa vit fe diel la la, don't say.
Who's like a comedian that you grew up on? Like as a kid, you just remember seeing them on TV.
What a comedian that you grew up on? Esko gon komedyen ke ou te gen yon reme pandan tap grandi, man? Martin!
Mine's with Steve Harvey.
Mi se menm se Steve Harvey. Mwen se Martin. E moun la, on moun ki tap grandi, ki gon komedyen pandan tap grandi.
Mwen me dezirab. Chak moun ap bay pam tou.
Mwen se Martin. Martin!
More of like Cat Williams or some shit.
Pa mi se Cat Williams. Ou kon kese Cat
Kat
Williams?
William bat nek te fe interview avek Shem. Shkaman yon go?
Yeah.
Work yes, yeah.
Better as gana.
Did you have any like?
Yo
animals
le ki
growing
di
up as a
je si
kid?
fwa chante.
Je si fwa. They good, man.
Je si fwa.
Bon bagay
Boto
mwen.
Bisha. You know what I'm saying?
On baket good vwe, man. Mwen mette dezirab.
Mwen se Martin, man. Ou bien Papa Pierre, man.
Api ya, an I get. Sa son de shot tou. Ah.
I had a couple dogs. What about you?
Oh, I had a hamster.
Jia Lasle.
I
Ou te
had-
kon Jia Lasle?
Nah, ma kon moun sa. I had a couple dogs. Mwen gen de 3 chien. E ou men sote gen animal. Mwen ma defan animal ko. I had a hamster. Ba kon sa an hamster, you know, a creole. O moun ki kon sa a hamster, ye, dim. Li semble un rat. Men pi go pa se rat. Li semble un kochoden.
Demi,
Nou kon kochoden?
man kushe din, no?
Wa, isi,
I always let him get out sometimes when he got out. remember one time he went chew through the bed and also got a bird before and let him out.
I'm scared of things like hamsters and shit.
Yeah, but I'm scared of things like hamsters and shit. But I'm pay hamster, yo, man. I'm Tibetan, man. You some black ocean den, man.
Like,
Yeah.
like, I don't know, like
Par
rat.
contre, bay, y ap vire non ti. Yo kon mette yo vire non ti bagay. Par contre, y ap vire non ti bet, man.
Bah, non, c'est vrai. Mon a bloqué.
It a cool rat, yeah, it a cool rat.
Yeah, rat
Like
pack.
rat mice, like,
Mongoose.
Mongoose.
that shit that freaked me out.
Yeah, I wanted a guinea pig because they was fat, but my mama got me a hamster because that's what we could afford. How do you feel about birthdays?
How do you feel
Just
about
another day.
How do you feel about birthday? Comment recevoir un birthday, man?
Fait tout.
J'ai dit, on joue comme on l'autre jour, man. C'est juste on joue en birthday,
Non.
man. You know,
I don't celebrate none of that stuff. I really don't.
on pas fêter by ça, man.
I don't fuck with holidays neither.
I don't fuck with holidays either. I pas aimer holiday too, man. To buy birthday, holiday, but by ça,
You
man.
gotta try to keep the tradition around the just participation with that shit for the kids, but I don't fuck around with that stuff.
I participer dans by ça, juste pour ti moun moi, yo après ça, man. C'est pour moi, I don't Shout out to
Do you remember something that
Z-Love,
you wanted as a
man.
kid
Was
for, like,
Z-Love?
Christmas? Like, wow, I used to want this. Mine was wrestling, man. I used
Mais
to
dis
be
qu'à like, mes amis,
into the
dis qu'à like.
WWE a lot.
Let's get it.
Like, as a kid, I always wanted like wrestling men in the ring.
Man,
C'est pas qu'on bail au côté vraiment mais comme si for Christmas on bail, man. Grandi, man.
believe it or not, I kind of used to already get everything that I wanted for Christmas. That was like the most specialest day ever. My grandma used to make sure that I get my wrestling set and shit like that.
Man, quoi ou pas, dans un moment comme si Christmas, Noël, yo te kon achete tout ça m'gen besoin, man. So bat kon manque rien vraiment, man. A gun il te levé, gun il toujours make sure.
Chaque musique tout, toujours shout out gun ça, man.
Yeah, gun moi
Gun
toujours.
avec Dave. Des moun sa, yon boy pas
Yeah.
oublier dans musique li, man.
Gun moi. Oh, mon yo get you to 10K.
10K, yeah. 15K kounya. Après midi, nous t'a fait live. Nous bat get tout moun sa. Fanatique de ta mettre combien mille like. Nous get tout moun sa, tout moun doit déjà regarder nous, man.
Damn, that's love, man. Go with Caprile.
Moi ka rappel kounya, so nan plus.
Damn, I feel love, man. Love y'all, man. Damn, I'm surprised, man.
How old
Those
was you
guy
when you
like,
started
let's
driving?
go, guys.
Like, you first, remember the first car you drove?
A machine. Remember the first car you drove? Est-ce que j'ai première machine que ou conduit, man?
My mama car. My mama let me drive probably at
Machine maman.
11 or some shit, I don't know.
Machine maman qui me conduit machine pendant m'étais 11 ans, man, or some shit. À 11 ans, maman quitte. Maman te gangster tout, man.
11 years old.
Yeah,
C'est
she
dit à 11 ans, man.
used to do little things like that. Like when she finally get on the streets
Crazy
of the house or
update, not
something,
long.
she'll let me and my
Bon, man, my dad.
sister just drive. Or sometimes she'll just let us go drive around the corner. I don't know.
Parfois, maman quitte me conduit dans petit street là, dans l'aile Bolaka là, dans quartier Bolaka là, man, you know.
So you ever like wrecked the car as a kid?
No.
So you just been
Ou pas de jam craser machine là pendant ou te kon faire ça, m'se nah.
On va faire tout
out
ça,
the gate,
man.
his mom, how to drive.
I always knew how to take my time.
Did you have a favorite teacher in school? Like elementary or like, you know, middle school?
20K like, let's
Est-ce
go,
que t'es un
guys.
professeur côté man pendant l'école? On prend middle school ou bien high school? Est-ce que t'es un professeur?